Students, welcome to your English grammar class. In my previous session I started with this chapter past continuous tense and I helped you all complete exercise A and exercise B. Today we will be continuing with exercise C, but before that I will be explaining the sentence structure of a negative sentence of past continuous tense. So what is the sentence structure for a past continuous tense? You always begin with a subject plus was or were, not plus ing form of the verb and other words. You must always remember that with I, he and she we use was, and with we, you and they we use were. And we have to compulsorily put not because we have to change it into a negative sentence. I think I did this also with you all yesterday, but just revising again. Write the contracted forms. One has been done for you. It was not, I was not playing. So you have to use the contracted form. Contracted form here means, like I told you yesterday, was and not together makes it wasn't, were and not together makes it weren't, right? So I was not playing, I wasn't playing. You were not writing, you weren't writing. Moving on to interrogative sentence, yes no type question. Okay, so like I told you in my previous topics also, that whenever you are framing a yes no type question, you have to always begin with a helping verb, and we will be using the helping verb was or were, which is why we will be using was or were, because we are writing into past continuous tense. Okay, so helping verb followed by subject plus ing form of the verb and other words. Why ing form of the verb? Because it is past continuous tense. Okay, let's see exercise D. Change the following affirmative sentences into negative and interrogative forms. See the first one, it is given in affirmative, so we have to change it into negative and interrogative. I was reading a book. This is an affirmative sentence, but you need to add something to make it negative. Okay, so what we will be adding? We will be adding not to make it into negative. I was not reading a book. Then to make the same sentence into interrogative, we will be putting the helping verb first, followed by the subject, ing form of the verb and other words. Okay, so was I reading a book? I is the subject over here and was is the helping verb. See the second one, Jack was cooking food. Same thing, we have to make it into negative. So Jack was not cooking. So we need to add not between the helping verb and the ing form of verb to make it into negative. Similarly, to make it into interrogative, we need to add was, that is a helping verb, just before the subject, that is Jack. Was Jack cooking food? You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to exercise E, interrogative sentence WH type questions. Whenever you are framing a WH type question, by default a WH word comes first, followed by was or were. This was or were depends on the subject that you are using and ing form of the verb. Again, was will be used with I, he, she, it. With all those subjects we will use was, and with they, you, with that we will use were. Okay, so let's see exercise E. Frame the questions for the following answers. You may use any suitable word for the example. My sister was going to school yesterday. From this sentence you have to make a WH question, and your question should be in such a way that you should get this as your answer. So where was your sister going yesterday? In the bus. So my sister was going to school yesterday. When you ask this question, you should get this answer. Now again, yes no type question. So when you are framing a yes no type question, see, yes my sister was going to school yesterday in the bus. So which is the subject over here? My sister is the subject over here and was is the helping verb over here. Going is the ing form of the verb. So to make it into yes no type, we will be putting the helping verb first, followed by the subject and ing form of the verb and other words. So was your sister going to school yesterday in the bus? Let's see one more. For example, children were watching cricket match. So what were children watching? Children were watching cricket match. Yes, no type question. Yes, children were watching cricket match. So children is the subject, were helping verb, watching ing form of the verb, and cricket match is other words. So were children watching cricket match? Question mark. Okay, you can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the interrogative negative sentence structure. Interrogative negative sentence structure is very similar to your interrogative sentence structure. Okay, but the only thing you need to do is you need to add not in between the subject and the ing form of the verb to make it into interrogative negative. So again, same thing with I, he, she we use was, and you, we, they we use were. Let's see the last exercise for today, that is change the following sentences into interrogative negative form. She was crying. So you have to change it into interrogative negative. So when you are changing into interrogative, by default the helping verb comes first, but we need to add not just after the subject and before the ing form of the verb. So was she not crying? They were playing cricket. Here they is the subject and were is the helping verb. So were they not playing cricket? You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. So students, your task for today is to complete exercise D, exercise E and exercise F. I have already shared a video for the detailed explanation of this chapter. You can kindly view that, and after that if you all have any queries, you all can contact me. Thank you.